everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because while I was at work, I got my notice that my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2021 was delivered to my house. And I was so excited, I couldn't wait to get home. And so here she is. And I was able to get the regular Lucky Bag. I've tried, this is my third year in a row, unsuccessfully, to get the large XL bag, which is $150. It's supposed to have $300 worth of product. I was at work, and although I had set my alarm on my phone, I had a customer and I just couldn't do it. But I was able to get the $75. They do charge you $10 shipping and then tax, so it still came to like $92 and something. And the box actually looks a little smaller than usual, but I'm so excited because what I'm going to do this time is I am going to give all my subscribers a chance to win a 5-piece Lucky Bag from me. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and name 5 things that you would like to get in a Lucky Bag. And I'm going to shop my stash, and 30 days from now, I'm going to pick a winner. And all you have to do is subscribe, leave a comment about the 5 things that you would like to get in a Lucky Bag. It could be anything. It doesn't even have to be a Beautylish brand, any makeup, any product that you'd like to get. Just leave me a comment, be a subscriber, and I'll pick a winner in 30 days. So today's January 20th, 2021. I'll pick the winner on February 20th. I'm so excited because today we have a new president, Joe Biden, and Kamala Harris, a new vice president. So today is just an awesome day. Let's get into the Lucky Bag. So Miss Yamaguchi was a student in Japan, and she studied calligraphy. She was selected to do the artwork. Every year the Beautylish Lucky Bag has some artwork. We had cranes one year. We had the Japanese sumo wrestler, didn't we, like a couple years? Anyways, okay, so let's get on with it. Here she is. Oh, let me tell you what I think is in here, what I hope is in here. I hope that there is a Sonia G Brush. I'd love to have one of those. I would like a Natasha Denona mini palette. That would be good. Well, let's just be surprised. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. So here is the paper and the card. And again, this word she has this is a cursive Japanese calligraphy, and it means dawn or daybreak. And the reason she selected this was because we've just been in darkness in 2020, and so this is moving toward the light and better times, and it couldn't arrive on a more perfect day of January 20th, 2021 with our new president. So definitely on track, and this probably talks all about her, but anyways, Miss Yamaguchi designed the paper. So beautifully wrapped. And actually, I like to save the paper. I haven't watched any videos, so I have no idea what's in here. Actually, I don't even want to look. I'm just gonna tear the paper and do it true mystery box style and just see what we got. I don't know how many things are in here. Okay, so there's black paper after that. More black paper. Okay, this is, I don't want to drop anything. Oh, this feels like a palette. Now, they did say that there will be no Jeffree Star items. Last year, you might remember, I got a Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. They said unless you picked a Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, you will not get any Jeffree Star products in the regular Lucky Bag. So let's see what we got. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. I don't want to break anything. This might be a couple items wrapped together. It is a couple items wrapped together. I'm just gonna have to hold it over the box. It does look like maybe an eyeshadow palette of some sort. Oh, that would be amazing. Last year one year I got a Natasha Denona palette, a 5-pan or a blush. Oh, I can't open this. Oh, it is a bunch of things wrapped up. Okay, I've got a bunch of products. Is that the Sunrise palette from Natasha Denona? Is that Natasha Denona Sunrise? Oh my God, it looks, I must open this. That looks like Natasha Denona Sunrise. I already have that palette, but oh my God. That would be amazing because all I got is like the 5-pan camo palette, which is really nice. It's a midi, but oh my gosh. Oh man, they wrapped it all up together. I hate that. Remember, you know, when they used to individually wrap everything and you could pull it? Yeah, so there's just the black paper in the bottom. Everything is in that one wrap. It was so cool because you could reach around and each thing was individually wrapped and you can pull it out one thing at a time. Ah, it's all in that bubble wrap. Okay, whatever. That's no fun. Do you remember like years ago when you could get the Natasha Denona 28 pan and you could get, and everything was individually wrapped and you could just pull it out one at a time? Now everything is all in that one big wrap. Okay, well, whatever. Let's just see. I'm sorry, I'm taking so long. I'm afraid I'm gonna drop something. I just put it all in one big bag. That's no fun. But I am gonna grab that. See if it's, let's see if it's Natasha. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, I just have to, I'm looking at stuff. Okay, let's not look at stuff. I got a Sonia G Brush. Now this is from the Sky Eye set, which I do have the Sky Eye set, but this looks like another one of the small pencil brushes, and I would absolutely love this. I already have this brush and I love it. This is amazing. Yes, it is. I love this brush. Flat definer. Okay, this is fantastic. I have the set. It's $150. The gorgeous blue. Watch my video where I clean my Sonia G brushes. So I'm very happy because one year I think I got a Wayne Goss brush, and I love Wayne Goss brushes as well, but they just have the plain black handle. This is just an amazing, it's perfect for in the corner and underneath. And oh, I actually wanted another little pencil brush. So very excited about that. So let's see what else we got. No way. It's a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Mini. How many of these do I have? Now let's say, okay, this is supposed to be a $150 box. Okay, these Becca Shimmering Skin Perfectors, you can get these at TJ Maxx all day long for $5.99, so that's kind of a bummer. I do love Becca though. Becca is one of my absolute favorite brands. This is probably a $15 item if I remember correctly in the little mini flying saucer. Let's see what color I got. Okay, so I got Moonstone, and Moonstone is a really pretty shade, but I know I have this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this in my giveaway. Becca is my absolute favorite cheek. Actually, I'm wearing my Becca palette today, the one that was from Christmas last year. So this is a great highlighter, but I already have those. And again, watch my video on my Becca collection. So I'm going to include this as one of the items in the giveaway. Okay, let's see what else we got. Next, this is, I don't know, a large box of some sort. Let's see what this is. Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. 60 patches formulated to firm, energize, and hydrate tired eyes. Okay, so Good Molecules is Beautylish's brand, and I do use the Ordinary brand Caffeine underneath my eyes to like depuff, but and I don't have any eye patches, so this will be something good to try. However, I do know Good Molecules is an inexpensive brand, so I don't know how much these are, but I'm gonna guess maybe 15 bucks, 20 bucks at the most. I know the Ordinary Caffeine serum isn't more than $10, but anyways, let's check those out. Okay, so it's got a little scooper. Oh, maybe it's, no, it says 60 patches. Okay, so I guess you just scoop it out. But anyways, okay, so I'll try that. I do not have any eye patches, so when in need, I'll have some. So, okay, that's all right. Next, let's see what else we got. KITSCH Cleanse Ritual Surgical stainless steel roller times ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Okay, I'm not interested in this at all. This is an item that, again, I see these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I guess you know, roll your skin and flatten it out and depuff or whatever. So I am not going to open this up. I will include this in my giveaway. Okay, lymphatic drainage repeat. Yeah, this is an item I see at TJ Maxx. I've never tried a roller, but I don't really think I need one, so I will include that in my giveaway. Okay, all right, let's see what else we got. So far, the best thing is the Sonia G Brush. All right, what else we got? Here is a Wayne Goss lipstick. Okay, this is so funny. I also did a review on the Wayne Goss lipsticks. Now, they are very, very moisturizing. The #1 ingredient is castor oil, which I was not a fan of that. They just, they kind of remind me, I like them. It's very moisturizing, but it just doesn't have the stain power. Let's see. I believe this is a lipstick, but I bought a couple of these on, yeah, the Luxury Cream lipstick, but I don't know what shade it is. That was the thing. His packaging, if I remember correctly, it's all black. Let's just open it up, because if I have this shade already, I'll include this in my giveaway too. I bought 2 or 3 of his lipsticks, and I do have a video on that, so you can check that out. And it wasn't my favorite formula, so if I already have this, I'll include it. Yeah, black packaging. Hard to tell what shade you have. What shade do I have? Camellia. Actually, I think I did buy Camellia. I'm almost positive I did. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to include Camellia in my giveaway, because I am positive this is the shade that I bought. Okay, so far, my lucky bag is going to be your lucky bag. So I will include the Wayne Goss Camellia. It's a great winter lipstick because very, very moisturizing. It just didn't have the stain power to me, but a nice formula, really pretty shade. So, and then you've got the Becca Mini Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. And then you've got the eye roller. Okay. You know what? I'm going to throw in the gel eye patches too. I'm just going to give away this box. What else? I hope this is a Natasha Denona palette, because otherwise this has not been good for me. And it's the Love palette. Okay. I have the Natasha Denona Love palette. I actually got it last February. So, but I am happy to have a backup. This is a very, very nice palette. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It is a pink palette. You've also got some tones of purple in here. Really nice metallics. It's just a really, really nice romantic pink eyeshadow palette. So I do have this, but it's very, very nice. It's got the beautiful, this is a $65 item. So the brush, this too is $100. So, okay, so I got my money's worth because I got a backup and I got a Sonia G brush. I'm going to put the rest of my giveaway, but let me know. And there she is, Natasha Denona Love. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So I'm happy that I did get some Natasha Denona, because last year, I've always got a mini 5-pan. I think I got mini gold last year, and then I got the camel palette the year before. So actually, this is the biggest Natasha Denona palette that I've ever gotten. I remember when they had the big 28 pans in the, and I'm rambling. Okay, so that is gonna do it for my Beautylish Lucky Bag. And it was lucky. I'm lucky I got $75 worth of stuff that I wanted. So yeah, 65. So this is like $95. So it is $150 worth of product. I know this Wayne Goss lipstick is something like $28. That's a high dollar lipstick. So I definitely have more than $150 value. And I do like these 2 items. The rest I'll put in my giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. I do have my best palettes of 2020 coming up. So far I've got 60 palettes that I tried, and it's totally not sponsored, unbiased. I'm going to tell you what I think about them. I have no collabs, And I have no commercials either. So anyways, please like, subscribe, leave me a message on what you would like in your lucky bag. I will throw in the items that I showed you, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone, the Wayne Goss lipstick in Camellia, the Derma roller, and the Good Molecule Caffeine eye patches. So I'm going to throw that in my giveaway. Let me know what else you would like, and I will send you a goodie, and I will draw my winner from my subscriber list in February 20th. So anyways, okay, like, subscribe, leave me a message, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.